Hey guys, welcome to my channel Suvyadara, and this vlog is going to be a very special. It is not about the traveling. In fact, today I am going to give a review about one of the product which I recently bought it, and approx from last close to 1 month I am using it. And this product is very useful. Even nowadays everyone is using while running, walking, and even you are at home. So basically I am going to talk about the earbud. So I do have as of now in front of me two earbuds. One is from the JBL brand and second one is for the Huawei 4i. So this JBL 125 tune I bought around last year, and approx 9 to 10 months I used it. Now because of some technical reason it is not getting charged, and therefore that I cannot utilize it. So that was the need, and then I bought this Huawei 4i, which comes under the price wise it comes under the $100 Singapore dollar. So if you convert in INR it comes something nearby 5,500. So now I'm going to reveal about based on my own experience, I'm going to reveal about the secret between these two earphones. So firstly I'm going to talk about this JBL 125 tune, and it comes with this case. And apart from that, if you see the design, it fit nicely in the ear. And weekly I run approx 22 to 30 kilometers, and in one constantly I run approx 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and maybe longer than 1 hour. So whenever it sweats it doesn't drop, so the fitting wise it nicely fits in the ear. Apart from that, the sound quality is very nice, and even the bass quality is too good. So whenever you listen the song something which have high bass, you are going to really enjoy with this earbud. So I was quite happy with this headphone, no issues, it was running nicely. But I am not sure what happens, and this suddenly it stops getting charged. So its charging is not working as of now, and because of that I need to buy another earphone, and that's the reason that I bought this brand new Huawei 4i earphone. So basically this vlog is going to be about this Huawei 4i earphone. So when you open this case, right, so generally you will get one cable. Let me show you the cable I have in front of me. So you will get this cable with this pack. It is a C-type cable. Then apart from that, it's a nice pack. It comes with the nice pack. I am using it from last 1 month, so I already opened it. So firstly I wanted to use so it comes in a very nice and sexy case, you can see that, and it comes in 3 color, white, red and black. So this time I bought the red color. Then apart from that, the design wise it is very nice, so you can see that the design wise. And since I am using from last 1 month, and I am continuously running approx 10 kilometers or 12 kilometers, and which I cover approx within 1 hour. So I feel that even after the long run also, even after heavy sweating also, it doesn't drop. So the design wise is very nice, it's easily fit. Even for your longer run also it doesn't hurt your ear. Then apart from that, it has 3 functions. So first is the normal when you use it, so okay. Then second thing is the awareness. Awareness means you can hear the surroundings, the sound surroundings of you. Then apart from that, the best part is that this headphone comes with the noise cancellations. And guys, believe me, when you on this noise cancellations, then definitely you are not going to hear any sound surrounded you. So I recommend whenever you are outside walking, running, then please don't on noise cancellation, because whatever is happening surrounding you, you cannot listen any word. So it may be risky. But whenever you are at the home, you just put noise cancellations mode and you bang on, you enjoy the music like anything. Then I'm talking about the charging capacity. Guys, this needs only 10 minutes to get complete full charge, and once you do the 100% charging, it runs approx 2 to 3 days. I mean, it depends on your usage. I usually use at night around 1 hour whenever I talk with my family, and then in the evening workout time whenever I go outside for the running, and I run approx 1 hour. So this is my usage on an average 2 hours daily. So even though for 2 hours usage also, it lasts 2 to 3 days, and it charges very quickly. It's a super fast charging. Only 10 minutes you need to switch on, and then it will get completely 100% full charge. Now I have given review of my both to these earphones. Now coming on the point, which one you should buy and choose. So I use this JBL as well as this Huawei 4i, and I would suggest you go for 4i, Huawei 4i, because its charging capacity is very nice. It very quickly it charges. Then apart from that, the design wise is awesome. Also, this earphone comes with this nice silicone case, so which you can cover your headphone easily like this, and on top of it like that. So it gives nice grip. Your headphone looks nice also. Then coming on the point that which one you should buy. So this is the JBL 125 and this is the Huawei 4i. So I would suggest in Huawei little bit like the sound quality you need to compromise. Otherwise the charging is, it's give the super fast charging is very nice. Apart from that, the services is good for Huawei, as well as the JBL is also having the good services. Then it has the noise cancellation, but it doesn't have the noise cancellations, and also it takes longer time for charge as compared to Huawei 4i. Since last almost 7 to 8 months I am using, but now I am facing problem with the charging, and since it still needs to go longer for me to get the complete review about this product, because I am using this Huawei 4i from only last 1 month. So I would say if you prefer for like a fast charging and the nice grip in the ear, and apart from the noise cancellation, you should consider this. Something you like to listen something the heavy, the more bass kind of sound, then you should select this JBL Tune 125. But again guys, you don't get super fast charging as the noise cancellations in this particular earphone. So it depends on your requirement which one you buy. Both the products are good. It depends on your requirement. Okay guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you in my next vlog. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and also do like, share, and if you have any questions, then put it in the comment section. So I will see you again in the next week. Till the time, bye bye, take care, enjoy Sunday with your family. Bye bye.